Welcome to Big's Island! Ayun na siya, oh. Pauna na siya, ayun na. Yes, matutumba na siya. Ayan na! Yan ang nga ba sinasabi ko eh, no? Yes. Victim number 1. Hi, my Koh babies! Welcome to my channel. This is your Koh baby, and I hope that you are having a fabulous day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click or tap the subscribe button and enable the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming video uploads. In my previous video, I had the opportunity to explore the stunning island of Koh Samui. During my visit, I decided to check out the beautiful Chaweng beach. While I was there, I came across a half-day island hopping tour and I was immediately intrigued. I decided to give it a try and the experience is definitely worth it. In today's video, I'll be taking you on the journey to explore the beautiful island of Koh Samui. We'll start by snorkeling near Koh Tan and then head over to Madsum Island to visit the adorable pigs. Finally, we'll end the day with a complimentary dinner buffet on the main island before returning back to my hotel.
Remember 1 hour for snorkeling. Don't walk on the coral, don't touch coral. Inside yung line, don't stop outside. You inside yung line, no coral. Okay? One jump. In front of. Okay?
Yeah. Welcome to Pigs Island. Thank you. So we're here at the Pigs Island. Ang dami nating kalahi dito, mga babi gulay. Ata. Oh. Hello. Hello, bakit kayo maalis? Where are you going? Ang laki nga. Hindi ako nakapag-tigil tuning kita. Charot lang. Yeah. Ano mga pangalan niya? Ikaw, anong pangalan mo? Pangalanan natin itong mga fruits and vegetables. Ito pa. Ria, sino ka dyan? Kasi yung mga fruits. Ano yun ang tatakbo? Hi! Happy life? Ha? Happy? Walang ginagawa? Oh. Hello! Hello! Hi! Hello! Halika dali! Wait. Halika dali! Uy! Hi! Enjoy na, may nanay. Ano yan? Bye! Hi! Hello! Wow! Wow! Saan ka kapunta? Hello! Magpapahawak siya. Hello! Hello! Yes! Matutumba na siya. Ayan na! Yan ang nga ba sinasabi ko no? Yes. Victim number 1. Gusto na yung ganito. Ay, matutulog na yan, no? Hala! O, diba? Tulog na siya. Man. Ah! And you want also? You want? This is a big dog. Alright, mommy pig. Bye-bye, mommy pig. Oh, this is the mommy pig. Mommy pig. Bye-bye, mommy pig. I'm not gonna steal your babies. No. Yes! 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 No. That's scared. Mommy pig! Mommy pig! Ta-na-ra-ra-ra-ra! Ta-na-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra! Oh! La. So, ang dami nila, no? Ayan na sila, oh. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Yes. So they're feeding the pigs over here. No, 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 no. Oh, pellets. They're feeding it with pellets. Hello. Kagulo na sila, oh. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Yes, boy. Hello. Yes, boy. Hi. Come here. Come here. Yes, we have a friend here. Yeah. Dogi. Dogi. Yes, sobrang hangin ngayon. Unlike kagabi, hindi naman masyadong mahangin. So that explains kaya murky ang dagat today. Kahit na walang araw, pero neto na ako. Hinay sana ng dagat. Wala tayong magagawa, ganun talaga. It's Mother Nature. Hindi natin mapipigil yan. For as long as nag-enjoy tayo kung anong meron, let's just be happy. Huwag tayo nasa-stress sa mga bagay na wala tayong control. Kasi, that's life. Enjoy life to the fullest. Huwag tayo nagpapaka-stress sa trabaho, sa problema. Problems will always be there. And you just have to live with it. Learn how to. Yan lang. And please don't forget to hit like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you! Welcome to Pigs Island! Ayun na siya, oh. Nauna na siya, ayun na. Hala ka tayo para sa pig. Hala! Okay ka lang ba siya? Okay na? Nakaraos? Uulan, mga fruits and vegetables. Walang sunset watching. It's going to rain. Ayun o, ayun yung ulan o. Nagawa siya. Let's go! Bye, Bobby! Kapong ka. No name fried vegetable. No name.
Yeah, no name.
Poor vegetable, no name. So kakainin natin ito lahat. Kasama sa package. If you're new to my channel and enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. I'm excited to hear your thoughts and feedback, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all again soon with another exciting video. Ang sarap! Ang saya! Tapos kakainin ako ng buaya at saka ng bateng. Ayoko na, natakot ako. Ayun na, nandito na tayo sa Skydive Tamba. Sa mainit, hindi tayo magtatagal. Tingnan lang natin ang sceneries. Hey, my bag. My bag. Where? I don't see it.
Oh no!